Hello, ate? Sorry I'm using a new number. There's been a problem with my old one, eh. This is Julie po. It's been a while since we last spoke. Ate, we miss you. Especially Joseph. He's always asking about where you are. Would it be okay if we visit you next month? We just want to see you. Talk to you. You know, there's a lot to talk about, ate. Madami akong chika. Tito was... Sorry, it's just... We don't talk anymore, ate. At ELIZE, it's Joseph. He can't breathe and he has high fever. We rushed him to the hospital already. Ate, I don't know what. I don't know what to do anymore. Why are you not talking? Dad's right. But it shouldn't be this way always. We always try to understand you. We are always getting hurt and you keep running away, ate. You're not the only one who lost someone.
bringing me this to my attention.
Kamusta po si Liz?
Hi Elise, I'm so glad you're here. I'm here to listen and support you in any way that I can. So what's on your mind? It's okay if you're not sure to what or why you're feeling this way. Sometimes it can be hard to open up. Elise, it's okay if you're not yet ready. You have a voice, you can use it when you're comfortable.
Entry 1. Hi, paano ba kasi ito sisimulan? Hi. Fuck, hindi ko pa alam kung tama to. I guess I'm supposed to tell what I'm feeling or something. I don't really feel anything. I just feel like I'm going through the motions day after day. Alam mo yung pagod ka, pero wala ka namang ginawa maghapon. Pagod ako pero hindi ako makatulog. I'm sad but I can cry. My God, ang weird nun, pero it's what I'm feeling. I'm fine, I guess.
You guess? Can you tell me a little bit more about what's going on lately?
I'm just feeling really down. Na para bang, alam mo po yun, wala na pong mangyayari maganda sa buhay ko. I guess I feel sad all the time. Pero hindi ko po alam kung bakit ganun po yung nararamdaman ko. Basta ang lungkot lang po talaga.
Correct me if I'm wrong, it sounds like you're going through a tough time right now.
Wala naman po.
It's okay if you're not sure why you're feeling this way. Sometimes, mahirap talagang ipinpoint yung source ng pinagdadaanan natin. May I ask, is there anything that's been on your mind lately?
I really appreciate, Ma'am, yung sinasabi nyo. Pero, it's just so hard to talk about it. Parang hindi ko pa po talaga kaya mag-open up. Pag-usapan yung nangyari. Mahirap po kasi talaga.
Naiintindihan ko, it's normal to feel scared when you've been through a lot lately. But I want you to remember that you are not alone.
Thank you po. That really means a lot to me.
And just know that there's no need to rush things in sharing anything you're not ready to talk about. We can take things at your pace, and I'll be here whenever you're ready to open up. Are there perhaps any hobbies you enjoy doing that you could do?
I used to love hiking with my family back home. Kasi whenever we hike before, it somehow helps me, alam niyo po yun, yung ma-release yung stress and anxiety na nafe-feel ko during that time. Especially po pag nakakaabot namin sa taas and nakikita na po namin yung view.
That's good to hear that there are ways for you to release your stress and anxiety. Have you tried looking for local hikings or any clubs that you could join?
No, I haven't, and I'm not interested in that anymore. Hi. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm still doing this. But it's been months since I started talking to Mom Blesslie. I never thought I'd feel this good again. I still have bad days sometimes. Yep. I think that's just normal. But they are few and far between now. I've learned so much about myself and how to manage my thoughts and what I feel. I'm grateful for my counselor and the support system I have. Di ko na namamalayan na marami talaga palang nasa tabi ko pa rin. I never thought I'd say this, but I'm actually excited for the future. Knowing na marami pang nagmamahal sa akin. Marami pang nasa tabi ko. I think hindi na ako ganun natatakot para sa future. And I'm so happy na kahit man may takot ako nararamdaman, hindi pa rin ako takot na may gawin. And I think that's a progress for me, so I'm very proud of myself. So future self, I'm so proud of you kung anong goals man yung mararating mo in the future.
Uy, hello, Julie! Musta ka? Buti na lang napatawag ka kasi tatawag din talaga ako mamaya eh. Okay. Gusto ko lang ibalita sa'yo. Pwede na pala kayo, umakyat dito next week para mag-celebrate ng birthday ko. Para naman sama-sama rin tayo. Oo, isama mo rin si Joseph. Saan ba siya? Wait lang saglit lang. Sige, tawagan kita mamaya. Okay lang ba? Sige. Sige, bye!
Dear ELIZE, my sweetest sunshine. Anak, happy 21st birthday. I know this year's celebration may not be all that happy unlike before, but I hope you remember those ones. You're a grown woman now. I expect you're taking good care of Julie and Joseph. Kung buhay lang ang mami niyo, she'll be proud of you all. The three of you is what kept me alive. My sunset up ends.